This is the Kilner salad dressing jar. I love this little gadget. It's so useful. I love good salads, but I won't have a boring salad. And for my cookery channel just now, I was doing a demo of this one, which is a great sort of honey, garlic, mustard salad dressing. Absolutely delicious. Makes the salad leaves zing instead of be boring. But the eagle-eyed amongst you will see it's got this amazing coiled spring inside, and that is brilliant. And after you've made it, if you don't want this contraption, easy. You just take this off, pull off this part, and then you also get a screw top lid. So you can place this in your fridge or on your counter. Never lasts long in my house, I'm going to be honest with you. But yeah, this is an amazing little gadget, one that I use. And again, a lot of people will come into my kitchen and go, what on earth is that? Well, now you know, it's the Kilner salad dressing jar.